and add a little bit more to that. So like when I first started, I would do like 5 jobs per day, and I never do them back to back to back to back. I like a little space. I like at least an hour and a half between each job. And that's just me. Now you got some young whippersnappers, they might try to do every hour on the hour, every half hour. But I like a little space in there because I don't want to roll in on 2 wheels at my next appointment, breathing heavy. I want to walk in. I want to be able to do me, be nice to them, chit chat. I want to come in like, whoo, I need to double check my work in between appointments. I'm not just having them sign it like a Zorro, just sign, sign, sign. I'm double checking my work, making sure everything is right. So, like Jeffrey said, we do everything. That's why we teach you how to do everything when it comes to loan signing, general notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille. So when this phone rings right here, because we're both full time, we don't know what it's going to be. Somebody could call and they want us to come over to the hospital tonight. Or somebody could be calling because they're trying to get married over in Jamaica and they need an apostille completed. We never know what the phone call is going to be. So when you say, do we have a schedule? Our schedule is to take everything. Now, there are some days when it's like, you know what, we know we can only get 2 accomplished, maybe because of our drive somewhere. We know it's going to take, or depending on what type of package it is, like if it's a refinance, those take longer than just a loan modification package will take. So if I have 2 refinances, I already know I can't do too much around the same time because those can take a little bit longer. So as you start learning what type of packages are out there and how long it takes, then that'll help you to do your scheduling. But financially, when Jeffrey left his job, we needed to make at least $100 to $200 per day. Now, some days we meet that goal, and then other days we don't. So like today we might make $300 because we have 3 jobs, and tomorrow we may only have 2. So somewhere between $100 to $200 per day, we're taking everything. And if once we meet that goal, we might be like, you know what, let me call another notary. I'm tired. We're good, But usually the beginning of the month and end of the month, we already know it's going to be super busy, even with title companies. So we usually keep our schedule pretty open. Mondays is a usually busy day too. So we don't usually take too many on Monday because the phone just ringing. And when it does, we outsource work, to other notaries and vice versa. Some of our notaries here actually give us work too. So, and that's another stream of income, networking. I saw Ladero hop on. Shakira, I send her work when she can get it. She'll serve as a witness, other people. So we got a little team too. You can create your own little team. And our notary educators group is a team because if it's something in there, somebody in your area, you can't do it, you give it to them and vice versa. So we're not very picky on what we do. We get it all. We do everything to get it done. Let's see. Tiffany's question. I hope that answers the question. Let me know if you need a little more clarity. Tiffany's question. Are you going to be able to get that, Jeff?
Tiffany, where's Tiffany?
725. Let me ask it then. If you can't
see it. I see it. Yeah, I see it. It says I've completed my commission here in Ohio and have completed how to notarize like a pro. Signing services is best to sign with. Okay. I guess what's best signing service? Okay, I see it. What signing services is best to sign up with?
So Tiffany, have you did the loan signing agent training with us, huh? You can just either come off mute or I'm just going to talk to you as if you have not because of your question. In the loan signing agent course, we actually tell you who to sign up with, how to sign up with them, and what their profile needs to look like. But to answer your question here, what signing services, we really recommend signingagent.com. Okay, signingorder.com, and they charge a fee of $2.99. Is it still $2.99, Shakira? Because I've been with them so long. I think it's still, is it $2.99? Oh, you're on mute. But you pay them additional fee. I think it's $2.99 because Felicia just did it.
I think it is.
Okay, thank you. So for one of our members just did it. So it's $2.99, and that gives you access to 20 different zip codes. So like for example, my zip code is 300, say 44. I can put in 20 different zip codes, and it will find me work in those other 20 areas. So I usually go this way, east, west, north, and south within like a 20-mile radius. So I look at all those different zip codes that I don't mind traveling to, and I put that over in signing order, and then that's how they send you out work. Now, just because you sign up, just because you pay, doesn't mean you have to accept the job. You don't have to. So don't get scared. A lot of times people say, well, I don't want to sign up, I'm not ready. I don't want you signing up if you're not ready, but just because you sign up doesn't mean you have to take the job, because they're sending it out to multiple notaries. Okay. So signingorder.com. SnapDocs is another good one. But if you're not really ready, just because you took Notarize like a pro, if you've not taken any loan signing agent training, then I may want you to pump the brakes, period, before you actually start applying with people, okay? Because you know how to properly notarize. That course is designed for that. But loan signing will teach you actually how to be a loan signing agent. Okay. Next question is
The next question is if I'm pronouncing it right, Mashaya, okay, Mishaya, or something. Hope it's yeah. It says, how do you market and get apostille clients?
Google My Business is going to be your best friend. Have a fully maximized Google page. And then also you want to make sure that you are surrounding yourself with clients that need this actual service. It may be colleges, immigration attorneys, marketing to them. But the number one way that we get that business is by having a fully maximized Google page. And we list that service on there. You can, what's called search engine optimization. And we have different wordings on our different posts and pictures that we offer this service and fully maximize. So people, when they put in apostille near me, you will populate. Same thing for your notary business. When people put in notary near me, like you looking for a Mexican restaurant near me, then you'll populate notary near me. So making sure that Google page is correct. And before we start marketing, as always, I want to make sure we know how to actually do an apostille. Okay. How do you put yourself out there as a new notary? Again, that's Aisha's question. Again, first of all, we want to make sure we have knowledge. And when you start getting the proper knowledge, it's going to make you want to go start stamping papers. Then you'll get out and start marketing, boots on the ground, face to face, old fashioned. Google My Business, making sure that's maximized, paying for ads sometimes just to get started. You don't have to pay for ads forever. You don't have to pay for ads forever, but maybe just to get started, Google ads. We don't recommend anything else. We don't recommend Thumbtack or Yelp. We don't recommend it. Doesn't mean you can't try it, but we give you what's tried and tested.
And if I can jump in, the Google ads, that works for sure, because at one point, I don't know how long ago it was, Kimmi, a couple of years ago, we turned it on for something. I don't know what we were trying to do. I think it was for apostilles or something. And either we forgot that we had it on, and we were like, why are we getting all of a sudden all these calls for apostille? They were just coming through left and right. We're like, okay, but we realized that we had turned it on. So it works. It works.
I actually got an $800 job from that one. $800 job. That was a Panamanian client we had.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I remember that one.
Yeah. And that was during that time I accidentally was running ad.
Yeah.
Shakira, we'll get your question in community, if you don't mind. That's a training question. Everyone saying yes, thank you. Where is that? What's the name again? Signingorder.com, not signnotary.com, signingorder.com. Okay, and Micaiah says, okay, thank you. I have my Google Bit page and stuff. Make sure it's fully maximized, Micaiah. Does it look like a dry piece of toast or an edible arrangement? Which one? That's a rhetorical question. If you want to share, you can tell us. But you can have a page, but that don't mean it's fully maximized, okay? All right, let's play our next game. Are we ready for another game?